It is IAS Kannada Vahini. As usual, we are continuing with the question paper analysis or model questions on IAS 2020 preliminary examination. The program is sponsored by SG Career Academy Sirsi. So today's question is about the Indian Constitution, particularly about the ordinance, the power of issuing the ordinances. Let us see the question. Consider the following statements regarding the promulgation of the ordinance. So the statement A, in reality, ordinances have an expiration period of 7.5 months. That is B, it is an executive order vested in the President of India in case of emergency. Third, TRAI, that is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, was created in 1997, first by an ordinance, then by an act of parliament. Next, D, ordinances are also laws under the Article 13. So which of the above statements are correct? So we'll go statement by statement, or like the option by option. In reality, ordinances have the expiration period of 7.5 months. I think it is correct. Even though constitutionally speaking it is only the 6 months after the reassembly of the parliament, but that is both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. But even after the reassembly of both the houses of the parliament, then there will be 1.5 months time will be there. So effectively, or in reality, it is 7.5 months. So in reality, that word has been used. Therefore, the statement A is correct. So 7.5 months in total, that is 7.5 months will be there for validating the ordinance. Second, it is an executive power vested in the President of India in case of emergency. Now we'll come to the Article 123. Under Article 123, the Constitution has given the power to the President of India to promulgate the ordinances during the recess of the Parliament. When Parliament is not in the session, he can issue the ordinance. Means when there is an urgency, when there is some kind of inevitability, then the President of India can issue the ordinance, and it has got the same force and validity as law. Therefore, the power of the President is ensured, that is under the Article 123. But the wording is whether it is purely an executive power. No, it is not an executive power. It is a legislative power. The one interesting point to be noted is the Constitution of India has given the President some legislative powers out of the, you can select the arena of the Parliament. The issuing of the ordinance is one of the powers, legislative powers vested in the President of India. So second statement is incorrect. It is not an executive power. It is a legislative power vested in the President of India in case of emergency. The same kind of power is vested in the governor also, that is under Article 213 at the state level. When the state legislature is not in session, the governor of the state can issue the ordinance. That is also a legislative power. Then third one is TRAI, means some of the administrative bodies, statutory bodies were created under the, you can select ordinances. But here an interesting note is that the ordinance for the creation of the TRAI was issued just before, one day before the reassembly of the Parliament. In that circumstances also, the government or the President of India can issue the ordinance. So that is an interesting point to be noted. That is in case of C. Then ordinances are also laws under the Article 13. Article 13 comes under the fundamental rights. But in fundamental rights also, it has been clearly mentioned that the laws made by the Parliament and also orders, bylaws, ordinances, or some kind of statutory regulations were also considered as a laws. So the clarity on ordinances have come under the Article 13. Means ordinances have the same power and validity and the effectiveness as under laws passed by the Parliament of India. Therefore, D is also correct. So 1 is correct, means A is correct, C is correct, D is correct. So that kind of answer is A, C, D. So A is the answer. A, C and D. First option is the answer. So this is how one should go for this type of question. Means sometimes it happens, some confusion will be there whether it is executive power or legislative power. Please remember, it is an executive power of the president. It is a legislative power of the President of India.